Hey friends, Sky here with you from the Mindful Crypto Life. It's December 22, 2025, and as we head into the holidays, the market is taking that classic quiet breath. Bitcoin has dipped below $86,000 midweek, but has already bounced back to around 89,000. The fear and greed still sits around the extreme fear territory at 25. This week feels like a typical December. Thinner trading volume, bigger swings, some layer 2 pain, and a mix of regulatory news. There's no full-on crash, just the usual year-end exhale. Today we'll recap what really moved the market, share some mindful perspective, and I'll actually have a free learning bonus for all beginners. Plus, stay tuned as my next video will be a full explainer to beginners on what you need to know about the crypto market during holiday season. Breathe easy with me, let's dive in calmly. A quick market pulse to start with. The total crypto cap is hovering around $3 trillion. Bitcoin is steady near $89,390 after that midweek dip. Ethereum is holding the levels of $3,028. Solana at $125. BNB at $864, and XRP at $1.9. The holiday trading volume is noticeably lower, which always amplifies the ups and the downs. The sentiment remains exhausted at extreme fear, but that's more tired sellers than fresh panic. We'll go through what actually happened in the market this week, the positives under the reds, and a grounded year-end takeaway. And for anyone new to the crypto market or is just speculating around these holiday swings, my next video will break down everything that beginners must learn and know about December markets. The mindset, the common traps, and the skills to build. If you're here for calm clarity, hit subscribe and let's keep going. Let's look at the actual moves at Phemex. This week was pure December energy. There's lower trading volume as many of the professional traders take their holidays, which means the small sells and buys can actually push prices more than the usual. Bitcoin started the week okay, but slid below $86,000 midweek, triggered by a mix of year-end profit-taking and some macro noise. But it bounced right back, closing near $89,390. Support held firm, no breakdown. Layer 2 tokens have taken the hardest hits. Projects like Arbitrum and Optimism has led weekly declines as risk-off sentiment spread. Alts were mixed overall, nothing catastrophic. This isn't just a start of a new bear market. It's a classic seasonal thinness combined with tax loss harvesting and portfolio rebalancing as the year ends. The market is just exhaling before the new year. Fear and greed hovered low 20s all week, extreme fear territory, and now at 25. When it lingers like this, it usually means that sellers are tired, rather than fresh waves of panic hitting. Historically, these exhausted lows can set up for a calmer period ahead. On the news side, some solid positive cuts through the red. The SEC continued easing enforcement and dropped several ongoing cases. This is a real regulatory breathing room. Strategy paused new Bitcoin buys amid volatility, but that's prudent, not a red flag. BlackRock Bitcoin ETF kept strong inflows, hitting milestone despite pullbacks, which shows institutional conviction. Analysts are mixed. Citi raised their Bitcoin target to around $143,000. While Fidelity cautioned about possible cooling on 2026. We saw rotation into alts, with Solana and XRP ETF drawing attention. Global regulatory progress in places like the UK and Hong Kong kept moving forward. The overall picture? The surface looks choppy, but foundations such as your institutions, regulations, and adoption are building quietly underneath. As we close 2025, this week reminds us on why holidays test patience in crypto. The dips, thin volume, and the low fear reading are completely normal seasonal patterns, not not the start of something worse. Breathe into it and review your why. Why are you here? Are you here for the quick flips, or are you here for long-term growth? Supports like Bitcoin 86K and Ethereum at 3K held strong this week, showing underlying strength. For beginners feeling this swing for the first time, my next video will be a complete full guide on navigating the markets on December and holidays. The mindset shifts, the skills to focus on, the common traps, and how to come out stronger. And if you want to learn hands-on without risking your own capital, Phemex has an excellent end-of-year campaign for new users. You can instantly claim $100 position airdrop, which is $10 times 10x leverage is equal to $100 position, and you get to keep all the profits. You can also claim a $20 trading bonus and a VIP2 trial to give you discount on fees. The only thing that you need to do is to complete the sign-up process and the KYC and scan this QR code that you can see on the screen right now. Once you have done that, you click on Register Now on the campaign. Once you click on that, you can now instantly claim all these bonuses: your position airdrop, your trading bonus, and your VIP2 trial. I don't normally share any campaigns in here, but this one is really worth it because it helps you learn without risking your own capital. Now going back to the quick wrap-up of the week. Choppy holiday trading, fear in the low 20s. Midweek Bitcoin dipped to $86,000, but solid recovery and positive undercurrents. Institutional inflows, regulatory easing, and analyst conviction. The market is just pausing, exhaling for the new year. Stay present, enjoy the holidays, and remember that crypto rewards consistency over reaction. What are you feeling as 2025 closes? Drop it in the comment section down below, as I love to read your comments and reply to them. If this brought you calm, give it a like and subscribe for more grounded updates. Again, I'm putting the QR code on the screen, and do not forget to claim your free $100 position airdrop, your $20 trading bonus, and VIP2 trial from Phemex. Nothing else is needed from your end, just sign up and keep all the profits. The next video is also coming soon, a full beginner guide on how to navigate the holiday markets. Again, I'm Kai from the Mindful Crypto Life. Thank you so much for being here. Happy holidays, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.